Collecting marks. To be successful in exams, we have to practice collecting marks. Do you collect marks or throw away marks? Follow this video carefully and you will realize in which category you are. Answering exams. Marks obtained in an exam depends on your knowledge of the subject, as well as how you show that you know the subject in your answer. Many students do not pay enough attention how to show that they know the subject. Therefore, they lose a lot of marks in exams. This is a simple question. A person manufactures rugs and sells at rupees 750. The manufacturing cost of a rug is rupees 600. The ratio of cost of raw materials and labor is 1:3. We have to find the raw material cost, we have to find the labor cost, we have to find the profit percentage of selling a rug. The material cost has increased by 20% and the new cost of a rug is 680 rupees. We have to find new material cost as well as the ratio of cost of raw materials and labor cost after the increment. Now this question gets 10 marks. Now we will see how this first student has answered. Raw material cost 600 over 4 into 1, which is 150. He has got 1 mark for the first step and another 1 mark for the answer. Labor cost 600 over 4 into 3, that is 450 rupees. Again 1 mark for the first step and 1 mark for the answer. Profit percentage 750 minus 600 is the profit. This profit has to be divided by 600 and multiplied by 100, which comes to 25%. So for the first step again 1 mark, for the last step another mark. Now new material cost. The increment was 20%, which means 100 has gone up to 120. So we have to take 150, divide by 100 and multiply by 120, which simplifies to rupees 180. Again 2 marks. New material cost, that is 600 minus 180, that is 500 rupees. Now the ratio 180 over 500, which is 9 over 25. Now this student has done all working needed, written all the steps, so he gets all marks, that is 10 out of 10. Now we will see the second student. He has just written only the answers, no working. So he gets only 5 marks. What does that mean? He has thrown away 5 marks. Now this student knows what has to be done, if not he can't get the answers. But these steps are not in the answer script. So the examiner cannot see them. So no marks. Now no steps, no marks. Now this student may have done this work somewhere, which is known as rough work, and these marks have been thrown away with the rough work. Are you in this category? In that case, think carefully. Now it's time for a change. If not, you cannot be successful in examinations. Now, look into keywords of questions when you read the question. These keywords gives the clue. If working has to be shown in your answer, find, show, prove, justify, hence, these types of words are there in your question. If you have list, write, give, put down, then you don't need to do any work, you just write the answer. I am Mohan Perra from Study Guide. To collect marks, read the questions well, plan your answer, include all working in your answer, write the answer clearly. Good luck for upcoming examinations.